Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include chrome appearance group included, bright rear bumper grille surround 1 chrome texture 1 black wheels, 18-inch x 8 inches cast aluminum painted bright front bumper, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front center seat cushion storage 3 rear seat head restraints, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds. Tradesman Level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio carpet floor covering front and rear floor mats rear power sliding window, quick order package 26A Tradesman included, engine 5.7 L V8 HEM AMDS VVTe torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, Delmonico red pearl coat, chrome appearance group included.